are the length of the rod. X-axis, this what is called y-axis. Now we are interested to find the locus of the center of the circle. As let the two rods are along x-axis, that is one of the rod is 2L and another rod that what we call 2B. And circle is passing through the extremity of the rod. As per question, what is the question there? The question is circle is passing through the extremity of the rod. Like this. This is the circle. And you have to find the center of the locus of the center. This is the center. Let the center be h, k. Locus के problem है always you have to assume h, k. So let h, k be the center of the circle. It's okay. So how do you attempt this question? Suppose question here. So how do you attempt? First of all, here mind this point. This 2A length rod and 2B length rod, both the rods are moving along OX axis and OY axis. As these rods are moving here, the center HK is also correspondingly it will move. It's okay. And we are interested to find the locus here. This part is the intercepts along x-axis and this part is the intercepts along y-axis. So x-intercepts will be x-intercepts. That is, what is the x-intercepts? You know, x-intercepts 2 root over g square minus c. 2 times of root over g square minus c. As let the equation of circle, that is x square plus y square 2gx plus 2y 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here the x-intercepts you can find this length, that is 2 root over this will be equal to 2a. So g square minus c, that 24, that will be a equation number 1. As a square. And here the center is minus g minus f. So instead of g, what do you write? H. So h square minus c equal to a square. That is the equation 1 dash. Similarly, go for y-intercepts. That is y-intercepts is 2 times of under root, that is f square minus c. That's f square minus c. So f square minus c, similarly you can say f square minus c equal to, what do you find? Of course, that's why I'm going to redirect it and we find that is b square, equation number 2 dash. So, and for this very f, if you compare here, you will find that is its coordinate is k. So p square minus c equal to b square. So you add this expression number 2 dash. Consider 1 dash and 2 dash. This is the relation between h and k. Now, what is the unknown quantity there is? That is c. C we have already assumed as the constant of circle. So first of all, we have to eliminate this constant to get the relation between h and k. To get the relation between h and k, what do you have to do? You have to subtract. So it's better solution because the subtract is equation 1 dash and 2 dash. So subtracting 1 dash and 2 dash, you get this one is, what is it? Solve it. You find here h square minus k square is equal to c and c that is a square minus b square. And for this hk, what do you write? X comma y. So we find here that x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square, which is the required locus. This is the equation of locus. Is okay? The equation of locus is that is x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. Yeah. No problem, so you have to pay. Go to one more problem. Suppose this is IDJ 2009. Let the two circles C1 and C2 are there. That's okay. Of unit radius. No. Let the two circles of unit radius whose centers are C1 and C2. They are at a distance of 6 units. And the radii of the circles are 1 as the question. Another circle of C is touching both the circles externally. So, and you have to find the radius of this circle. The radius is question mark. It's okay. Of the circle whose center is C. Is clear? Radius of circle. So, for you attempt this question, this is J 2009. तो जेई में क्वेश्चन जो आ रहा है सर्कल का, तो इसको कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आप 11 कलर के कॉन्सेप्ट्स का यूज करें. ये इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल निकालें, इस सर्कल का इक्वेशन निकालें, इसका कंडीशन ऑफ टेंजेंसी लगाएं, और ये C1 C2 R1 plus R2. You can go through the geometry, 10th class geometry also. तो इसमें क्या करना है? Join these two centers. इन दोनों सेंटर्स को ज्वाइन कर. As 6 is the distance between these two centers. If you draw here perpendicularly, then what do you find? This triangle C1C C2 is this type of triangle. This is isosceles triangle. It's okay. As this length is 1, this length is 1 as radius of circle. What this length will be? Entire length is 6, so it will cover here 2 segments. That is 3. So rest of the length is only 2. So 2 plus 1, this is 3. And the condition is given here. A line which is tangent of the C2 and C is also a tangent of the circle C1 and passes through the middle points of the joining of these two centers. Is this okay? So, yeah. So 1 and 1, this is 2. And here let the radius of the circle will be R. As R. So how you find this? Applying the geometry as a Pythagoras theorem, you can find this. So how you apply here in Pythagoras theorem? This is the application of Pythagoras theorem. As this length is 3, this length is 1. You can find this. First of all, normalize it. This is C. This is C2. Let this P is the midpoint. And here one more point, let T, which is point of contact, point of tendency. So consider the points C2, P and T. This is 3, which is just opposite to 90 degrees, that is hypotenuse. And here the length is 1. So here you can find by Pythagoras theorem, what is it? This length will be 2 root 5. So as PT you can find 2 root 2. PT you can find, this is 2 root 2. Once again here CP and T, this is R, this is 1. This length, let CP length is suppose T, so this is L1. That's okay. So in triangle CP, C2, we apply Pythagoras theorem. So one of them is in triangle CP, C2, as angle P is right angle P. So C2 PC is pi by 2 right angle. So apply Pythagoras theorem. That is r plus 1 whole square is equal to what is it? Alpha square plus is 9. Question number 1. Is this okay? And one more equation you can find here in terms of r and alpha. All fine. As you know that this is tangent, as this is also right angle. So consider triangle CPT and triangle CPT. That is, you can find the relation between alpha r and this one. What is it? Alpha square is hypotenuse here. So you get alpha square is equal to r square plus a. Equation number 2. By solving 1 and 2 as two unknown quantities, r and alpha, you can find. So solve it first one. R, the value of r is 8. Some other questions. Actually, what happened here? Whenever a question आप लोगों को follow आएगी, तो new topic start कर देंगे. Very normal. There's a huge everybody. Topic start करना. Application of multinomial theorem in permutation combination. Just not now. This is not in use. Application of multinomial theorem. Here in computation and combination. And combination. First of all, you have to get an idea of what is multinomial theorem. As you have already studied binomial theorem. In binomial theorem, what happens? X plus a to the power n. Whenever you expand this, you will find n plus 1 terms are there. You know it. It's okay. Each and every term if you find, then example, x plus a whole square. When you open this, you find xa plus a.